you the saddle pose. So I like this, it really hits not only the hips but the quads as well. So to set up into this, what you'll do is you have two choices here. You can either choose to sit on your ankles the way I am, or you can also sit on the ground with your feet off to the side. For some of us, such as me, we lack some of that mobility, so you can use a yoga block or a couple of ab mats to sit on, and then it's much easier to get into the pose there. So you have your knees out wide, either you're sitting on your feet or they're off to the side, and so from here, what we'll simply do is just lie backwards. Okay. So use your arms to support you. You should feel the stretch right here. For many of you more flexible people, you'll be able to go all the way down. If you have access to a medicine ball or maybe a couple of pillows, you can even place that underneath your lower back, and you should feel the stretch in the quads and the hips, maybe even a little bit in the abdominals, and just simply relax. And that right there is the saddle pose.